In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add buttons to Squarespace website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a clean, clickable call to action anywhere on your page and connect it to the destination you want. First, make sure you're in the Squarespace page editor on the section where you want your button. When you hover your mouse in an empty spot or between existing elements, you'll see the option to add content. Click Add Block. This opens the library of blocks you can place on the page. If you don't immediately see what you need, use the search bar at the top of the panel and type the word button to filter the results. The goal here is simply to open the block picker so you can choose the right element for a clear call to action. Next, click on Button. Squarespace will drop a default button into your layout. You can drag it to reposition within the section if needed, but for now, just focus on getting the button onto the page. The button block is designed to be simple and consistent with your site's styles, so you don't have to worry about manual formatting at this stage. Now, double-click the button block. This opens the button's editor so you can change what it says and where it goes. If double-clicking doesn't open the editor the first time, try clicking once to select the block. Then click again on the text area to activate editing. Edit the text on the button to match your goal. Keep it short, clear, and action-oriented. Phrases like shop now, learn more, or contact us work well because they tell visitors exactly what will happen when they click. Avoid long phrases or vague wording that might confuse people. Click on Attach Link. This is where you connect the button to its destination. The link field is flexible, so you can use a full web address or point to a page or item on your own site. If you're using a URL, make sure it's complete and accurate, including the HTTPS portion so it opens correctly in the browser. Then paste your link into the field. Double check for typos, extra spaces, or missing characters before you confirm. Once the link is in place, your button will be clickable and will take visitors exactly where you intend. That's it. You added the block, chose the button, opened its editor, set the text, attached the link, and pasted the destination. Repeat the same process anywhere you need a call to action and keep your labels consistent so visitors know what to do next.